Hey there, English learners. Welcome to Learn English Plus, and today we have a casual conversation between friends discussing their daily routines. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now let's jump into the conversation. Hey there, how's it going?
I'm good. Just finished my morning routine. How about you?
Nice. I'm still in the middle of mine. What's your morning routine like?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m., do some stretching exercises, and then have a light breakfast. After that, I head to the gym for a workout.
Impressive. I wake up around 8 a.m., grab a quick tea, and then start work. What's your work routine?
I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's a mix of meetings, emails, and some project work. How about you?
I'm a freelancer, so my schedule varies. Afternoons are my most productive time. I take breaks to walk and recharge.
That sounds nice. In the evenings, I usually unwind by reading or playing cricket. What about you?
I catch up on emails and then relax with a good book. Dinner is around 7 p.m. and I try to get to bed by 10:30.
Sounds like a balanced day. I should probably consider a more structured evening routine. Any tips?
Sure, plan your evenings, set aside time for relaxation, and limit screen time before bed. It helps with a good night's sleep.
Thanks for the advice. I'll give it a try. Anyway, gotta get back to work. Let's catch up soon.
Definitely. Take care and talk to you later.
Thanks and have a nice day.
As we wrap up this conversation, I hope you found it helpful. Comment down below about your own daily routine or suggest topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.